Then I have a little boy dog fighting with everybody. He's in the bowl. The bird is trying to fight with everybody, but still trying to be in the water bowl. Trying to bathe. Look how fluffy she gets. Look how fluffy she is right now. Fluffy. And a little puppy growling because he don't want nobody eating from his bowl. This is a mess. Here's a mess. This is incredible. What's up? Look at the mother. Mother gotta eat over there in the corner. To be continued. No, to be continued. Jamie, mama, see my bird eating dog food. Oh, what's up? Yeah, he got mad. He's ready to growl at everybody.